fresh little plant with a berry. Tell me that isn't weird for the end of October. All these fresh little greens everywhere. And now, Kelly, come here. Toby! Oh, fuck, where'd he go? Oh, yeah, we gotta go down over this. Well, there's an animal trail. We're good. Come on, Kel. Come on, Toby. Look at the tangles through here. This is crazy. Imagine just trying to be an animal walking around in here. Oh, there's a pretty rock. That's cool. Oh, fuck, it's huge. Oh. Oh my God, it's massive. That's a cool rock, though. Ah, might try and carry it home.